All right, so here's what we've got to do. We have to plot the numbers, and this isn't just straight up plotting anymore. This is a little bit tougher. This is plot -1/4 and 9 1/4. Okay, so I've got my handy dandy number line. Around the middle, I'm going to put a 0. Now I have a question for you. All right, wait. We need to plot -1/4 and 9/4. I have a question for you. Um, just so that I know, which side is -1/4 going to be on? Is it going to be on the left or the right side of the 0? Just so I can kind of get an idea. The left dice or side. Okay. And the 9/4, which side is that going to be on? The left or the right? Give me an R for right, L for left. The 9/4, which side is that going to be on? The right side. Awesome, awesome. All right, here's my question. Would you, when you put the number lines, or when you put the numbers on the number lines, we don't need to write every single number in there. We can just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or we can go like 4, and this is 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, we can kind of label it any way we want. Do you agree? -1, -2, -3, -4, -4. -8 right about here. Okay, so you agree. You agree that we don't need to label, we can label it kind of any way we want on this number line. It changes things. I have a question for you. If I were to plot -1/4, would that be very easy to do on this number line that I have right now? Why or why not? Yes or no? Would that be very easy to do on the number line that I have right now? Or would I have to do a lot of guessing? Give me a yes or no. Don't worry if you're wrong. All right, what I said was if I were to plot -1/4 on this number line, I'll tell you where it would be. It would be on the left side, and I'd go not -1, but a quarter of that. So it'd be somewhere like right about here, and that's kind of hard to graph. So what I would recommend doing is I'm going to change up. Not only am I going to change where I put the labels, but I'm going to change what we call the scale of this number line. And what I mean is I'm going to kind of zoom in on this number line. So over here I'm going to put I'm going to put the number 1 right here. Over here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to put 2 right here. Over here I'm going to put -1 right here and -2 right about here. Now, when that happens, this part right here, like right over here, that's not 1, 2 spaces anymore. That's half a space, because from here to here is one whole space. Does everyone get it? Or are you confused? It's fine if you're confused. Just let me know. Yes, you got it? Okay, good. I'm glad you understand. So, where is -1/4? So, where is -1/4? All right? Am I going? How many of these little, units am I going to the right or left? All right. This is -1/4 right there. Okay. And also 9/4 looks like this. I would go, because each of these unit is 1/4, is a quarter of it. Because if I go a quarter, 2 quarters, which is 1/2, 3 quarters, which is 75%, and 4 quarters, which is 1, that's how you get, to each of these quarters. So if I want to go +9/4, I would have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 quarters. And if you were to put it in a calculator, what is 9 divided by 4 and press enter, it will probably give you a decimal answer, and it will probably say 2.25, which is 2 1/4. Or if you were to reduce this fraction into a mixed number, that would be 2 1/4 left. So that's how you plot that thing. Is that cool?